I know that you have worked long and hard to create a mind-blowing software. Perhaps it's a WordPress theme or a plugin. Perhaps it's an Adobe Air application. It can even be a mobile app. It doesn't matter. The important point here is that you have spent a lot of time and money creating your digital downloadable product. You put your product for sale in a marketplace, and then one of these three scenarios happens. Scenario number one day later, your premium product that you spent time and money on becomes free all across the web. How does it do this? You see, someone has illegally shared and virally spread your digital download on file sharing sites all across the web. It's highly irritating and it costs you a lot of money. You see, it devalues your product instantly. Scenario number two, someone purchases your product. They download it and they install it. One day later, they refund. Is there anything wrong with the product? Is it defective? Nope, it works perfectly. So what's the problem? What happened? You see, you ran into what is called in our industry a serial refunder. This is someone who buys digital downloadable products and then refunds. And because you do not have access to their computer, you have no way to monitor if they have deleted your product or not from their hard drives. In other words, you have been robbed. Scenario number three, some geek brain finds your download or your thank you page. They just love to spend all their days searching for thank you pages, and they find yours. They download and they install your software for free. You've been robbed. What is this costing you? Is it costing you hundreds of dollars? Let's try thousands of dollars. How about tens of thousands of dollars? What about hundreds of thousands of dollars? Hi, my name is Mark Dulisse, and I am an internet marketer and software developer. I have sold well over 250,000 digital downloadable products in my career. Now let me tell you this, you want your softwares to keep their value. You do not want them to be devalued in any way. Now this is particularly important if you are launching a new software. You see, you want to ensure that your software launch is not going to be quickly devalued. And to ensure that your software is not going to be devalued, you need my software licensing system. What does it do? Simply, License Guard Soft will protect your softwares against these so-called thieves and robbers by requiring all software users that they have an authenticated license key to activate the software. And you can suspend their activation of your software at any time. Thus, if they refund, their activation of the software is automatically suspended. Now, how does this work for those who buy your softwares that are protected with License Guard Soft? This is how it works. You place your product in a marketplace. Now, it works with PayPal, JVZoo, WSO Pro, One Shopping Cart, ClickBank, Second Checkout, WooCommerce, JigoShop, WP e-commerce, and Envato Marketplace. And in fact, it can work with any language and platform. Now, when a customer purchases your software, License Guard Soft will automatically send them an email with their unique license key that is automatically generated for them. License Guard Soft will record all their transaction information and send them a license key. The customer visits your thank you page, installs your software, and your software first asks for an activation key. Only the authenticated license key users will work. And here's the cool thing. You can set up your licensing terms for your product on many different variables. For example, perhaps you sell a WordPress plugin and you have different versions. For example, you have a 1 domain license, a 10 domain license, and an unlimited domain license. Whatever options you want, License Guard Soft will do that licensing requirement. Or you can set up your licensing terms for your product to be time-based. For example, you can have a 1-year licensing, or perhaps you have a subscription-based licensing terms. Example, you have a 30-day recurring licensing for your softwares. So if they cancel or refund, their license key is suspended. Or maybe you have a 1-year renewal licensing term for your software, and if they cancel or refund, their key is automatically suspended. Whatever time limit you want, License Guard Soft will do the protection. And if your customer loses their key, no problem. They can visit your thank you page at any time to retrieve their unique activation key. It's simple to use. These are just a few samples of what License Guard Soft will do. And here's a bonus. For those software developers who create WordPress themes and plugins, License Guard Soft will manage all of your auto updates for your WordPress products. It will give you the required code snippet and manage your upgrades. Easy and simple. License Guard Soft is a WordPress plugin, and so all your software licensing and WordPress updates are easily managed inside your WordPress dashboard and the License Guard Soft's user admin pages. Look below this video for screenshots and more information. So go ahead and purchase today. We have a full 30-day refund policy, and for any reason, if you're not happy, simply submit a support ticket for a full 100% refund. We offer complete training on how License Guard Soft is set up and how you can license a product. So buy now and start protecting your softwares and start protecting the value and the pricing of your softwares, and thereby putting more money in your product. This is money that you have worked very hard to keep. Order today for instant access to License Guard Soft and protect your softwares.